This is Urvashi Malik in conversation with Aditi Anand. Aditi is pursuing an undergraduate program in the United States and is here on a summer break. Hi Aditi. So where are you studying?
I'm studying in the George Washington University.
And which year are you in?
I'm a junior, but a rising senior now.
Oh, great. So Aditi, which major are you pursuing?
I am studying international business.
Were you always pursuing this major or did you change your mind along the way?
No, I never changed my mind. I did make my decision a little later than I should have, or rather the average time when people declare their major. But this is my first decision, and I hope to keep it.
So Aditi, you took a transfer from Bryn Mawr College to George Washington University. Was it easy to transfer?
Easy in terms of what? In terms of the process of transferring, or rather the transition into GW?
We'd love an insight into both. Is it easy to transfer in the US?
I believe that you need to be committed in order to transfer. It's definitely that point in time where you've gotten into the environment. You've met a lot of new people. You've gone through the process 1, 2, 3 of making friends, of networking with your professors, etc. So it does become emotionally difficult to leave. But if you do want a different environment, different university, different institution, everybody does it, and you can do it. It's easy.
Oh, that's very encouraging. So, Aditi, how important is the geographic location and the setting in the sense urban or rural or semi-urban? How important are these factors in the overall college experience for a student?
I believe it is very important. It really defines your environment, your mood at all times when you're in the university. Looking at Bryn Mawr College, which was in the suburbs, 20 minutes from the city. It was more laid back, it was more chill, it was more relaxed. There was no really going out in the evenings. The professors were more relaxed. There was nothing known as being formal or putting on a formal set of clothes, even to class or perhaps even to an interview or even office hours. But in a city school, it's rather a little more formal. Obviously, no. You can't bring into consideration the West Coast attitude and East Coast attitude. But here I'm discussing just East Coast, suburban and urban.
What, according to you, are the important factors to keep in mind when one is choosing a college?
To keep in mind who you are, what do you want to do? Just go with what you want to do. No second thoughts. Just look at a university and just make your decision based on not on ranking. That doesn't even make a difference in the least. I went for it was a top-ish, top 5, top 8 colleges, and really I transferred out, and today I go to the George Washington University, which is actually unranked. So believe you me, it actually makes no difference. I'm definitely happier here with my academics, with the kind of life that I live. But definitely my heart and all my friends are set in Bryn Mawr. So you'll be surprised to know that every spring break I spend with all my friends and I meet all my professors at least thrice a semester in Bryn Mawr.
Aditi, just last bit of advice to all those starting college this year. What would you like to tell them?
Make a lot of friends, network, talk to people, be out there. And you will be surprised how you'll have socializing opportunities, academic opportunities, future opportunities, future opportunities generally of all kinds after you meet people, and just be happy. Just do what your heart says.
Thank you so much. Thanks for your advice. Thanks, Aditi. All the best.